Hey Princess Squad, it's T here. I'm in front of Spirit Halloween. Gonna go in and check out what they have. Spirit Halloween is the Halloween store for Halloween costumes and everything Halloween. When I first walked in, I saw this creepy cemetery with all of these creepy creatures. I was really kind of nervous walking through here because I did not want anything to pop out like the scarecrow here. I'm looking around and I see so many Halloween costumes, like so many. And there's lots of display with lots of scary things that could possibly pop out at you. I don't know how I feel about this scarecrow and this scream guy over here. I gotta walk away. I'm definitely getting some creepy vibes. And then I come across this guy here that looks kind of like the devil. I don't know. His face looks super scary. I gotta walk around to find my happy place. The children costumes. I'm looking at these costumes because I want to see what I can get for my son for Halloween. Maybe this Pooh Bear or Stitch. There's even a whole line of Bluey items. But what he really likes are vehicles. So maybe this dump truck or this trash truck, Mater from Cars, Hot Wheels, Scooby-Doo van, or maybe even Lightning McQueen. As I'm looking, I come across all the Disney princesses for little girls and Mickey and Minnie Mouse and even Barbie. Barbie is so viral right now. There's so many costumes, cute accessories, and of course this cute Barbie trick-or-treat bag. I turn the corner and I see all these cute trick-or-treat bags and buckets over here too. Then I spy the cute witch area. And of course, Wednesday Adam. There's so many cute costumes for girls, including this Lilo costume. Moving on, as I'm walking, I come across this cute Barbie section for adults. It's super viral. You can be any type of Barbies. You can make your own or make it easy on yourself and get one of these Barbie costumes. There's even costumes for Ken. You have a few choices and a lot of Barbie choices. I love this rollerblade one, and I really love this weird Barbie one. And then I come across this really cute crossbody. I love the buckle, and of course this cardigan that comes with the sunglasses. There's even a section for Barbie accessories like jewelry set, nails, necklaces, earrings, and even this cute Barbie dress, and of course the infamous Barbie box. And Elle Woods, what's she doing here in Western Barbie? There's even socks. It says, "You can do it." I love it. To my surprise, I came across Flaming Hot Cheeto costumes. If you're a Flaming Hot Cheeto lover, you really need this Flaming Hot Cheeto dress. I know Sprinkles would love it. There's even this Flaming Hot Cheeto bag, and of course, Chester the Cheetah. Next up, Mario. Anything from Mario is super popular because of Mario the movie. And of course, there is Bowser. All I can think of is Peaches, 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 Peaches. Next up, the iconic Squid Game from Netflix. Let's try on this mask. Oh my goodness, I look kind of creepy. What do you think? Lilo and Stitch got popular again. I know there's lots of Stitch items out there, so if you like Stitch, there you go. There's also Scooby-Doo and SpongeBob. I really love all of these inflatables that they have, like this Patrick one, and of course, SpongeBob himself. Next up, you can't go wrong with Pokemon. I mean, Pikachu, so cute. You can do a couple's costume with it. And then, of course, if you are a Harry Potter fan, this is where you need to go for all of your Harry Potter needs. I'm super excited about this Winnie the Pooh section because I love Winnie the Pooh, and Winnie the Pooh reminds me of my son so much. I can't believe there's this section here. Maybe we'll be Winnie the Pooh for Halloween. Next up, the Disney princesses versus the villains. I'm in my villain era, and I am digging all of this villain costume, especially Maleficent is my favorite. There's Ursula, and of course, the Wicked Witch and Galinda. This is so cute from the Wizard of Oz. I love this basket. And of course, there's Wednesday Adam, the whole family for adults. I really love Wednesday Adam and all of her vibes. Her dress is super cute. Would you be Wednesday Addams? A whole section for Toy Story. This is a good family costume idea if you have a few people in your family, and this Mr. Potato Head inflatable is amazing. Some other cool costumes are Mickey and Minnie, and this inflatable Rugrats dinosaur, and my childhood Barney. There's even Garfield, and a whole section for The Nightmare Before Christmas. There's lots of accessories and decor, like an entire section full of them if you are a Nightmare Before Christmas lover. I spy an entire section dedicated to witches. Here we have Hocus Pocus witch, and of course like a purple black witch vibe. I am totally digging this. I'm telling you guys, I entered into my Evil Queen era. Maybe I should change my name to Evil Queen T. Anyways, I am digging all of this, especially this really cute sweatshirt right here. Support your coven. I can't believe they have Bob Ross here. If you want to be Bob Ross, this is the costume for you. Remember, there are no mistakes, just happy accidents. And if you want to be a baby for the day, go ahead and be a baby. I am loving these baby inflatables and accessories. Next up, a whole sections of inflatable. Before there was only dinosaurs, but there are so many more selections now, like chicken, dragons, dinosaurs, cowboys, aliens. This is a totally funny one. And of course, a hot dog, bananas, pineapple. You guys, what are you going to be? I really think this alien capturing this human inflatable is super hilarious. There's even a frog, a light up figure, and so many to pick from. Milk and cookies, that's a cute couple costume. Peanut butter and jelly, loofah and soap. There's even avocado and toast, and chip and salsa. Can't forget the ramen cup noodle. And of course, the pickle. The pickle trend is super viral right now. Of course, there's an inflatable corn for the corn kid. And there's even sour grape box of wine and White Claw. If you're lazy, go with one of these ponchos. It's breathable and you can eat all you want at these Halloween parties. There's even a whole bunch of headbands and ears that you can wear, wigs and accessory. You can even be your own angel or devil. There's lots to pick from and you can piece these costumes together as you go and make it unique. You can even be the devil. Anyways, I'm walking around, I see this creepy clown. I really have a fear of clowns, and this is why. Okay, I'm entering the horror section, so if you get scared easily, click off this video and watch a different video because there's lots of creepy things coming up, like these walking hands. There's makeup, you can make your own kind of creepy makeup. There's lots of like patches and bloody stuff here that you can make and even be a vampire. I'm creeped out by this section right here, clowns. So there's a whole section. If you want to be a clown, more power to you. You can join the circus. And yeah, more clowns. And of course, there's Freddy and Chucky and a whole bunch of scary costumes. There's Frankenstein, the Scream mask guy, and even a Scream-like shirt. Okay, I've seen enough. I'm going to try on these costumes and pick one of them possibly. I got something. Leave a comment below to let me know what you think I got in this bag. I will do a reveal closer to Halloween. Until then, always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!